Hi everyone, Lisette here. Today I want to take you on a tour of my virtual office. All right, so this is my desk setup, probably the most important part of my office. And you'll see that I have a couple of external monitors. I've got my microphone, a lot of lighting. And one of the things that I have, because I have slanted ceilings, as you can see, is I have this curtain here that I can use. And what it does, it just pulls like this. And I've got a lovely studio here where I can do all kinds of professional quality presentations. All right, zooming in closer, you'll see that I've got an Elgato Stream Deck. I've got a whole bunch of USB plugs. They're just handy. And I've got my self-care cards. I love these self-care cards. Every day I choose something new to focus on. And of course, my very favorite super cards. And I've got this in a really handy one of these card holders. All right, moving on from the desk, you can see that I'm a big fan of Depeche Mode. These are all the different books that I've been involved with in one way or another. Some of my mementos, lots of sticky notes, pens, books, notes, my favorite books, and of course just stuff. And then on the other shelf here, we start to get into all of my mementos, my sewing, my art projects. I am also a very big Calvin and Hobbes fan. I don't keep my materials very nice because I am constantly shuffling through them to work on new projects. It's a little corner over here where I read books in the morning and the neighbor cats come over here and sleep in the afternoon. And over here, we just sort of have a museum of things that I want to keep. Of course, my space station, my Oculus Rift, all kinds of equipment and lights and things that I've used before. Books that I don't think about every day, but I still want to have them at hand. And of course, a whiteboard, a good old-fashioned whiteboard for when I have all kinds of ideas. I love that. All right, everybody, that's been my virtual office. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you online.
If you're interested in learning more or diving deeper, I really encourage you to join one of our live interactive trainings. You can find those in all time zones all over the world. We've got licensed facilitators who are there who professionally train these workshops. You can also join one of our free events. We host virtual co-working often, and we're also hosting the Facilitators Playground, where you can come and learn new techniques for online facilitation. All right, everybody, I'll see you online.